This is Nithya Kalyani Meghala, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai. In this video, we see about the data warehouse. The data warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, and non-volatile collection of data in support of management decision-making process. Subject-oriented means the data warehouse can be used to analyze a particular subject area. For example, sales can be a particular subject. Integrated means the data warehouse integrates data from multiple data sources. For example, source A and source B may have different ways of identifying a particular product, but in a data warehouse there will be only a single way of identifying a product. Time variant means historical data is kept in a data warehouse. For example, one can retrieve the data from 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or ever old data from a data warehouse. This contrasts with the transaction system where often only the most recent data is kept. For example, transaction systems may hold the most recent address of the customer, where a data warehouse can hold all addresses associated with a customer. Non-volatile means once data is in the data warehouse, it will not change. So, historical data in a data warehouse should never be altered. Data warehouse can be built using a top-down approach, a bottom-up approach, or a combination of both. The top-down approach starts with a overall design and planning. It is useful in cases where the technology is mature and well known, and where the business problems that must be solved one clear and well understand. The bottom-up approach starts with the experiments and prototype. This is useful is in the early stage of business modeling and technology development. It allows an organization to move forward at considerably less expense and to evaluate the benefit of the technology before making the significant commitments. In the combined approach, an organization can explicit the planned and strategic nature of the top-down approach while retaining the rapid implementation and opportunistic applications of the bottom-up approach. The data warehouse design process consists of the following steps. Choose a business process to a model. For example, orders, invoice, shipment, inventory, accounts administration, sales, or general ledger. Choose the grains of the business process. The grain in a fundamental atomic level of data to be represented in a fact table for their process. Choose the dimensions that will apply to each fact table record. Typical dimensions are item, time, customer, supplier, warehouse, transaction type, and status. Choose the measurement that will populate each fact table record. Typical measures are numerical additive quantities like dollar sold and unit sold. Three tier of the data warehouse architecture. Bottom tier is a warehouse database server that is almost a relational database system. Backend tools and utilities are used to feed data into the bottom tier from operational database. It performs data extraction, cleaning, and transformation, as well as load and refresh functions to update the data warehouse. The data are extracted using the application program interface known as gateway. The gateway is supported by the underlying database management system and allows client programs to generate SQL code to be executed at a server. Example, the gateway is include ODBC, OLEDB by Microsoft, and JDBC. This tier constrains the metadata repository which store information about the data warehouse and its content. Middle tier is a online analytical process server that is typically implemented using either a relational online analytical process model that means an extended relational database management system that map operation on multidimensional data to standard relational operations. Multidimensional online analytical process model, that means the special purpose server that directly implements multidimensional data and operations. Top tier is a front-end client layer which contains query and reporting tools, analyzing tools, and data mining tools. Thank you.